Drive's Carrier Site Tutorial, Site Overview. On the dashboard page, view a map with a location of all your drivers. On the Drivers page, view, edit, invite, and accept drivers to your fleet. On the Messaging page, join drivers' chat groups. Messaging is accessible in Navigator and DriveFleet. On the Logs page, view, download, and edit logs. On the Devices page, view all your ELD devices. On the Vehicles page, view, add, and edit vehicles. On the Location History page, view vehicles' past locations on a map. On the IFTA page, view your driver's mileage based on odometer readings at points where the vehicle crossed jurisdictions. Download overview documents by quarter. On the Users page, view users, and if you are an admin, add and edit users. On the Company Settings page, view and edit company information. Company settings is only accessible for admins. Access your account settings in the upper right to view and edit your account information. Drive, your solution to ELD compliance.